Hello and welcome to MechLearn 360. In this video, I want to explain to you a force as a vector. Okay, now a force represents the action of one body on another, and so it is generally characterized by its magnitude, the point of application or the line of action, and then the direction. Now the line segment represents the magnitude and the arrowhead represent the sense of direction. Okay, let's try to illustrate a force as a vector. But then, the SI units used by engineers to measure the magnitude of a force are the Newton and its multiple, the kilonewton, which is what? 1000 newtons. Alright, so we want to say that force is what? Measured in newtons or kilonewtons. And so very often we will see force measured in newtons or in kilonewtons. Alright, so let's assume that this is what we are calling a force. So this point right here is the point of application of this force. Alright, now the magnitude of this force will always represent the line segment. So the line segment here represents the magnitude. And then the arrowhead here represents the sense of direction. So the sense of direction. Alright. Now this angle right here is called the direction. Don't confuse this with this. Now the sense is how it is pointing away or towards the body. But the direction is actually the angle measured with reference to a certain horizontal axis or a certain fixed axis. And then the line upon which this force is acting is what we are calling the line of action of the force. So let's take a typical example. I have this axis here. So this is my line of action. I have a force of 100 newtons. And this force of 100 newtons is pointing away from this point. And then this force makes an angle 30 with the horizontal. And so this is actually what you may be seeing in all these courses. You will see us representing a force by this, or not only forces but vectors. However, we are looking at a force as a vector. And so you see the magnitude of the force as 100 newtons, and then this is the line of action. The arrow here represents the sense of direction, and this 30 degrees here represents the angle that it makes with this axis. Thank you for watching.